Josh Warren. We came in and the homeowners wanted to update their already finished basement. So we gutted the entire thing and found out that they actually had water coming in through their foundation. So we installed our waterproofing system and then installed our panels, our non-organic panels that are milled and molded resistant. We actually opened up this part. There was a wall separating these two rooms, and they wanted to open it up and create a entertainment and a gym space. So we were able to do that for them. We added a dry bar for entertainment over here. Our industrial dry fall black ceiling and our TBF thermal dry flooring. But I think the focal point of this basement is the staircase. We completely redid all the treads and we added this handrail, and I think this is the showstopper in this basement.